Okay, so hi everyone. Recently decided that I was pining for one of my favorite rescue systems that I gave away before I moved to Australia, and I've regretted doing that ever since. And so, you know, obviously feeling the classic rescuer's midlife crisis, I decided to buy my version of the Porsche, and before they became too rare, too scarce, and hard to repair. So with the help of Mr. Rob Blesson at Black Hole, I have ordered my system. This is a NeXT turbo color system, and I'm going to unbox this now. So one moment while I open the first layer. Okay, so that's the outer layer removed. This system was originally owned by a university lab, and it came in an original box, which is a prize in and of itself. You can see, of course, that the copyright there is 1992, and you can see that the bottom of the box is still taped with unbroken NeXT tape. Ooh, fancy. So unfortunately, obviously, this system, we had some issues when Rob was trying to get it up and running, so the board may not be the original board, but everything else should be pretty much original due to the capacitor replacements that have to happen to bring these basically up to a brand new usable state. So let me flip this over and open it. Okay, so now the system is open. You can see it's a NeXT station box. You can see that the original was a turbo color. Okay, here's what's in the box so far. A sound box, non-ADB, new capacitors, a non-ADB mouse, one non-ADB keyboard, cables, including the illustrious Y cable for VGA conversion, and the system itself. Alright, I'm going to get some of this bubble wrap off. Be back. Okay, here she is unboxed, as you can see. And in a minute, I'm going to conduct some surgery. I'm going to pull the SD card with 3.3 on it and pop in the 4.2 that was shipped with it, because that's what I want to use first. Okay, so you can see the SD card to SCSI adapter. It's a SCSI 2SD, and there's the 3.3 card, and I've got my trusty 4.2 card. So I'm going to put that in there, and then I'm going to wire this bad boy up, and I'm going to start it. And so here I've kind of set everything up, cabled everything up, and ooh, lol. Okay, here's the moment of truth. I'm speaking quietly because the baby is asleep. Hopefully this will work. Crossing fingers. Okay. Yes. And we have liftoff, Houston. So I'm not sure how long this part is supposed to last, but there we go. can see, it's been divvied up, I guess, into 2 gig boot volume, 2 gig disk 1, disk 2, and 1.5 gigs disk 3. But so far so good. It's workstation set here is kind of busy, but I did prepare some space for it. Let's see, insert one of my servers down there, and my other server is down here. That's my domain controller and main Hyper-V host. All right. I guess I slightly missed the idea of hard disks chittering away, but kind of glad. Okay, I'm going to hit Control C. I don't have network yet. Black Beauty, that's cute. I'm actually going to change that because I've already dedicated the name of this machine to my son. So he's just 21 months old and he's learning a lot of different words. Since it's a next station, I'm going to make a train pun. It's on to the next station. His favorite phrase when he goes to the train station is hello or hi and bye choo-choo. So this is going to be bye choo-choo. .valhalla.binarlabs.com. Desktop before I've done much in the way of config. What's very interesting is the random date that seems to be on here. I don't know if it's completely random, but that's my birthday. Although my birthday 2 years ago, but yeah, so as soon as I set up NTP that'll go away, but hey.